Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off highlight buttons function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option and how to turn it off? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu here, and here in visibility enhancements we have our highlight buttons. So what does it do? We have a very short explanation here with example. So highlight text on buttons to make them easy to recognize. So to turn off this function, we simply untap this, uncheck this box, and now this option is turned off. We can safely go back to our home screen. No need to save this setting. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.